the incident happened, unya there and then and there, whatever, muhatag kong kwarta. Usahay, walay kwarta, walay mong abot nga rin cheque para sa ARPOC. Gastuhon akong kwarta sa akong pagka-CPOC chairman, City Peace and Other Council, pero ipa-reimburse na ako. There's an office there. Di na ako masultingan, okay, it's not for public consumption, but there's an office there. Ganto ka nga ito magpa-reimburse. I'm sure that you'd learn how to get yourself around there sa
So walay igong basihan, Mayor, para mo resign ang atong
di po, maski na way kwarta ay dili dapat mo resign si Agaw Dodong diha kagas kay the position needs really somebody there. Labi nag magka gubot-gubot nga on yung wider scale, widespread somebody has to man the fort, so to speak. Nagi mo gunit sa poder sa para sa gobyerno.
Tinuod, Mayor, kay lisod kayo kung naay vacuum sa leadership, no? Walay central command.
Because I remember, ug makagbot-gubot na pa itong magkudita-kudita sila kung ganing nasuko kung publicly. Ang military would always nakatutok sa emo. Mayroon sa may atong buhaton Of course, they have the direct orders, but vis-a-vis with the civilians, mangita gina sila og civilian usaon pagdala sa maybe a course of action or the manner with which we deal with the civilians og magkagubot-gubot yun. Dili mo na pwedeng military o police na imong pabiyaan diha. They would always defer to the civilian leaders. And in times of, I said, widespread crisis, there has to be somebody there, duly appointed by government, to hold the reins of. Mo gawas na, basta ka ng gubot na you are powerful there. Kasi katong sa election niya to, I hate to say this, but dito to sa Davao del Sur, gawa na magkadimao. And then, ngay sila tabang, in the process, ila kong i-appoint as part of the team to restore order. And in 24 hours, I did. Pag-isarbahan akong tanan, every 5 kilometers may one. More than 3, aristuhan niya because that's a private army. Ug di mo sugot po sila. That's my order. Ug di mo surrender sa aras po sila. And ingna nga ako mo isugo. And we were able to restore order. Some sense of governance over there.
Ayun. So why angay kabalakaan mo abot ra gyud ang funding. Mayor, kumusta ang imong pagbisita dito sa Manuel Yanga, dito sa pamilya Jarog? Nahusay na ba ang problema din?
Wala. We need to sustain the investigation. Irrespective of whether or not we know the personalities that they claim to have a hand there. There's an investigation and we are waiting for the result. And we're encouraging everybody to tell the NBI. Ako, gusto na ko NBI na lang diya. Sila may gagunit sa kaso. I think most of the evidence or whatever proof ng naibawan nila has been passed on to the National Bureau of Investigation. I think that para for brevity and Osaraka, we can always focus on one agency. I would suggest ang National Bureau of Investigation would handle the case and eventually for them to decide what course of action would it take.
Ang pamilya Jarog ba, Mayor? Do they feel threatened?
Nakikistorya ko sa pamilya and ilang giusab tong istoryang ilang gireklamo ni adto Mabel. Ako silang gingnan. Of course, there were military and police present at that time. And I told them that henceforth, I will guarantee myself as mayor officially that di na sila hilab na katong ilang i-claim na 2 hectares, which they claim to be ancestral lands. Now, I said that if these lands or the 2 hectares are not covered by any title belonging to any person, then that is yours. And I will guarantee Kana ra pud yang mga kibaw sa ubang sa status sa ubang di peripheral lands sa ilang nagtong hitabo.